Hey y'all, it's Silk Obsession back with another Watch Me Work. So today we are going to be doing a glueless wig install. This is featuring our new unit Phoenix off of our website, and of course everything is going to be linked down below as promised. So here I'm just going in, cutting the lace, and then we're going to get into this install. And as you can see, this is a very quick video because it is a glueless wig, so we are literally just going to pop this baby on.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, need some me time.
So as you can see, when I'm cutting the lace with the scissors, I am going in a zigzag motion, moving those scissors up and down, so that way it'll have like little triangles on the edges and it'll blend really seamlessly with her skin. Next, I'm using a cream foundation. Cream. Do not use powder. Don't use liquid. All that stuff oxidizes on you and your lace will change colors. That's why a lot of the times your lace does not look melted. Cream is the best product to use on your lace. It stays, it holds, it looks the best. It doesn't have a bunch of oil in it and everything just comes out way more clean, as you can see here.
In the meantime, stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I love myself. I don't know.
And I just want to take a second. Let's get into this lace. Like, do you see this? This is no melt, no nothing. We literally put the wig on and this is what it's given. Okay? Shop with me, period. You don't have to do all that extra stuff. You don't need a stylist. You don't need all that extra work. So what I did, I lost the clip, nothing new. So I just went in with a little bit of mousse and I tapped that across the edge of the lace, as well as fixing up the baby hair so that way those were nice and swooped. So here I'm just going in, we're redoing the curls because I forgot to redo them before she came. But again, like I said, this install was really quick. It took me 10 minutes to redo the curls and you'll see that part through.
Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just said a little weep in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They took me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta. Wanna be down, soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out, hate me, bring my problems, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts, you're not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is a grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch, so when they see me, what they gonna do?
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold rank. Don't hold no rank.
Billing ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm women for the kitty, got my phone goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the coast right now. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time of the year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down?
I don't think y'all ready for this, but when this band come off, you can't tell me this ain't her hair. Okay? Please, somebody let me know down in the comments, isn't this giving her real hair? I'll wait. Yeah, real glueless wigs, period. You don't need no hairspray, you don't need no got to be, no none of that. Your wig is gonna lay flat every single time. I'm telling you, come shop with the best. I forgot to mention that this is transparent lace that we got melted like this. The majority of the wigs on my site are made with transparent lace. You can request HD lace if you would like. I personally recommend transparent lace for any beginner wig wearer because it is the most durable lace while still giving you a nice even melt, and it just comes out so good without you having to worry about creating holes in the lace.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you done?
And this girl is a whole fool. She don't know how to act once her hair get done. She just get to acting crazy. Like, her whole personality comes out every time I finish her hair. But thank you guys so much for watching another video. I'm trying to get more consistent. I'm so sorry about this, but we coming back to back with the bangers, okay? Stay tuned, subscribe, and the Black Friday sale is coming soon, y'all.
Let's start to stutter with the speed. Understanding what I need is go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head.
Bitch, you having technical difficulties, ho. I feel like Young Miami or should have had a bitch. I feel like Young Miami, ho.
Yeah, no. People reactions be funny.
Bitch, you said what? You gonna take my nigga? Bitch, please. What Meg say? I needed me a nigga off my hands.